Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2014 Kia Sorento. And this is your first time to the channel, welcome to Battery Guyz Nation. To begin this project, you would need a 10mm wrench or socket. You also will need a ratchet for a long extension and a flathead screwdriver as well. Step one is you need to take off the air intake that is covering the battery. You can get those started with you need like a flathead screwdriver. Just going underneath those plastic clips. They pop out very easily. Just kind of like wiggle it back and forth until they come out. You got about 3 or 4 that's across the hood of the car itself. And just take your time to get those plastic clips out. Step 2 is you want to use a 13mm socket to take off the battery bracket, which is bracing down the battery in the center of the box. Just use your ratchet, just turn it clockwise several times until you feel the bolt of the battery clamp start moving up, and then you can move the bolt itself, and then the bracket itself comes off the battery. We're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this vehicle today, and if you're looking for a great price on a battery, jump onto our website batteryguyz.com and save yourself 50% off retail prices of the same quality battery, up to a 2-year warranty shipped directly to your house, free delivery. So what we're going to do, we're actually installing the positives back on this first. Once you install your positive, just tighten it up with your 10mm wrench right here. The next you want to put on is your last is your negative, which is also known as your ground. And normally that's a black cable. You can know that's the negative right there, and your red is your positive. So you tighten that up with your 10mm socket for the ground. Next step we're going to do is we're going to put the battery bracket back down to the battery box itself. You want to get that bracket kind of flush down first, kind of find a hole in the center, kind of line it up. Either you can see it with direct sunlight or either use a flashlight. You want to just line that hole up. Get your 13mm socket, stick that bolt in the bottom of it, and just stick it in that hole and just start tightening up that bracket that's holding down the battery itself. Okay, your last step would be putting back on the air intake into this vehicle right here. Just line those 3 holes up that's on the hood of the vehicle itself, and use those 3 plastic tabs you popped out and just pop them back in. You can use either the back of your flathead screwdriver and kind of like just tap it in yourself, or you can use anything. And this is how you install a battery in a 2014 Kia Sorento.